torch juggling. If you guys look.
Hey, the lights messed it up. It
I'll
would
take
have been
another
perfect.
lighter. Anybody got another lighter? Okay, here we go. Go back. Ready? Take that. All right. Here we go. Catch it. That was awesome. All right, let's have some fun. Come on, people. Come on. I practiced that. Okay, let's work on it. All right, here we go. Everyone, let's have some fun. In a couple minutes. Everybody, where's all my party people?
Yeah!
Excellent. Let's party. Sing along, sing along. We gonna party, ha ha ha. We gonna party, ha ha ha. Come to the party, no worry. Come to the party, no worry. I'm hot, you're hot, he's hot, she's hot. I'm hot, you're hot, he's hot, she's hot. I'm warmed up. Let's see this. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Excellent. Kids, listen up. Kids, are you listening? Listen up, kids. Listen. Are you listening? Can you hear me? Kids. Don't you drugs. Alright, I'll put it back. Just a little more. Oh, you moisturized. Very nice, Jay. Jay, and your name? Anthony. Okay? Stand right there. Jay and Anthony. Great. If you guys want, go ahead and you guys can shake hands if you want to. Yeah, perfect. There we go. I'm sorry. Slowly and carefully, look each other deeply in the eyes. So weird. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in a moment's time, I'll be climbing to the top of this tall unicycle. When I do, I need everybody to please do not move, okay? If you guys in the back take 2 steps forward, let's fill in all the empty gaps. This is it, guys. Both hands. Is it Jay? Anthony and Jay. All right, Jay and Anthony, don't move. Anthony, high five. Don't move. Good job, good job. Just making sure. My life is in your hands, guys, okay? I'm gonna say that one more time. My life will be in your hands. I'll be juggling on top of the unicycle the best I can do. Folks, are you guys with me? You guys wanna see it, yeah? Yeah! All right. You know what? I'm gonna need one more guy. I'm gonna need one more guy. Someone strong, someone brave, someone. Oh, you perfect. Yes, you. Yes, you with the implants. Come over here. Yeah. Awesome. Let's give this guy a round of applause. All right, we're both right up here. What's your name? Francis. Spread your legs, Francis. Where's your wallet? Thanks, Francis. You guys are awesome. Folks, this is it. Everyone put your hands high to the air. Okay, everyone, 1 foot, 1 clap. Let's try it together. Yeah, that's 2 feet. Right, let's try 1. Okay, that was good individually. Let's all try together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll just do it together with the music. That's fine. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and light these torches. When I get to the top of the unicycle, I'll give you guys 3 of my most dangerous tricks. 10 feet, I would say 15 feet high into the air. Guys, my life is in your hands. Whatever you do, do not move. Hold strong. And, yeah. This is it. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing my flaming torches. Really sharp. All right. I just need someone brave, someone my age, a female, preferably good looking. Anybody? Hey, you're perfect. How's it going? Can you hold on to these? Thanks. So, I need someone to hold these. Come on, just grab it. So wait. I need a guy. Okay, I need a guy. I need a girl. Any girl want to throw these things at me? You want to do it? Okay, I need one girl. Like, you're too young. You're too young. Okay, I'm just gonna pick somebody. Okay, come on up here. Let's give this brave young female a round of applause. You're awesome. It's okay. What's your name? Gail. Can I call you Gail? What time? All right. All right. Okay, Gail, check it out. Face those guys. Take 2 steps back. You'll be throwing those things at me, not now. First, I gotta call the unicycle. Get all the way to the top. Here we go, guys. We're gonna put it just like so. Perfect. Right, put your feet just like so. Climb all the way up. Everyone's hands high into the air. High into the air. To one big clap all together. 1, 2, 3. All right, that was good individually. Like I said, stronger. 1, 2, 3. All right. This time, I go ahead and run all the way around. Give me your energy. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Oh wow, that sounds good. Feel it. Louder. Faster. Come on, people, find your rhythm. Here we go. All 2 sides. Head this way. When I'm out the seat, everybody go crazy. Now you guys, okay? Now you guys. All 3. 1, 2. What's your name? Francis. My eyes are right here. 2, 3. Let me hear you. Nice. Let's hear it for these guys. Come on. Without them, I would not be where I am today. It's true. All right, guys, this is it. Don't get scared now. On the count of go. When I say go, you guys are going to run away. Very important when you run away, let go of the unicycle. What's happening? All right, Francis, you can go back that way. All right, Jay, right? Jay, you're going to go back that way. And Anthony, just get out of the way. I don't know how to. All right, move your feet, but keep your hands still. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, keep your hands still. Jay, put your hands back on it. Gosh, don't shake the bike. If you guys are gonna shake the bike, you're gonna hurt Mr. Johnson. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Oh my gosh, music please. Sorry, wrong song, hold on. Okay. Okay, I got it, here we go. Everyone count down from 3. When I say go, you guys run. Okay, here we go. Anthony, push me this way, just a little bit. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, go! Let go! Come back, come back, come back! Get in. Get back to me, Francis. I love you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it, my guys, yeah? You're awesome. Let's hear it for Gail. Me. Gail? Me. Gail? She's done nothing! It's cool. Gail's coming to me. You're going to toss it to me. Go ahead and do a nice toss. Go ahead and push on the count of 3. On 3! We'll try this again, okay? Gail, these people one more time. Try. Do not move my left hand. Push toss on 3. 1, 2, 3. Gail, did you hear that applause? That was for me. For me. All right, Gail, you are the first throw of the juggle. If I get hurt, these 2 come back at you. No pressure. Don't worry about it. No. That's cool. Just we're gonna push. I got it right there. Take 1 step forward. 1 more step. Just hand me the torch. Let's hear for Gail, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have been an awesome crowd. Give yourselves a round of applause. My name is Lucian. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my show. This will be my finale show, actually the last show of the night. So please, just don't walk away at the end. Come up and say thank you. It means the world to me. Let me know what my show is worth to you and your family. Here's how it's working. I'm going to give you guys one cool trick before I do my finale. Take my foot off the pedal. If you want to see it, say yeah. Yeah, all 3. 1, 2. There you go. All right. Okay, 3 else this time. Thank you. Yeah. All right, here's how it works, folks. I juggle the torches, you guys go crazy. If it works out right, I'll give you guys a bonus trick under the leg. Let's make a memory of a lifetime. You guys are the foundation. Let's be the loudest crowd ever. Are you guys ready to have some fun, yeah? Everybody put your hands high to the air. Hands up or I'll kiss you. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope I had your day. I hope I made you have fun. You smiled. Now, let's have fun. Clap together. Come on, Orlando. Keep it going. Here we go. Make some noise. Come on, people. Okay, nobody moves. I need to get down. I need Francis. I need my three guys to come back up and I need to get down. Anthony and Jay. Jay, stand right here. Guys, on the count of three, I need you to come up and grab my pole. Grab the pole on three. Put your feet. 1, 2, 3. Grab it. Okay. Now slowly and carefully put your feet under the tire. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have been an awesome crowd. Don't let me down. Come up and say thank you. It means the world to me. Here we go. One more time for me and my feet to the ground.
I saw it. There's no way.